Another episode. Goku and the Gambler. Let's fucking go.
The first time we tried this.
Definitely.
No other
Definitely
attempts
not like
have
the
been
third
made.
time I've ended the fucking recording because something fucked up.
Well, the first time you had to end it was because anything screwed up.
Oh, cool! I got a pocket ICB now.
Well.
I can collect gold and kill common enemies.
Hey, Noah.
What? Oh.
Damn. Damn.
I don't even have enough fucking.
Okay. Wild card.
I don't even have enough key to be able to use frickin'. Oh, what is this? Oh, Jesus. I want Marwans. I like Marwans. Hey, item.
Haha. Gambler's teddy bear.
That ability is literally worthless on me. It's whenever I use something that's on a cooldown, I summon fucking fireworks. I don't have any cooldowns.
Damn.
That's literally worthless.
Wait.
Why is there a bunch of...
Fools, run! Run from me! Run from me! Run from
I
me!
don't even have enough key to be able to use second spear pop yet. I need to level up my
Nope, I lost all
character
in.
to be able to use it.
Wait, is no this?
Yeah, it is.
Nice. Macho mustache.
Why do I keep getting cooldown shit? I don't have any fucking cooldown.
Yeah, I have.
Cooldown shit. What the fuck do? Alright, cool. I have a pocket ICB now. Will it ever be used? Probably not. I have it.
Triple purple! Woohoo!
Oh, great.
I have to remember which ones. Which one's worse? These have your current gold. Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah, this right, this one is the one that actually helps sometimes. And the other one is instantly take 50% of your health. Oh, interesting. So I could lose all my money or half my health. Oh, and look, all my health is back. Stupid idiots in the void. Haha, stupid idiot. Ow, my face.
Hit by a rock, yeah.
Yeah. Humongous. Get him. I need to kill flying enemies.
Ha, imagine. Kaioken! I was just checking to make sure I knew what the fuck this thing did again. No, this would be a perfect time if I could use a spear bomb.
Yeah.
But I don't have enough key to be able to even do it, so I need to level up.
Isn't bad? Hey.
Oh, I've unlocked Kaioken!
You didn't have to repeat yourself real quick. You get him. Screw that man up. Caffeine. Huh. Of course you're all shooting at me. I got an achievement for hurting myself.
What for doing what to yourself?
I got an achievement for hitting myself, and it was an achievement not about hitting yourself.
Cool.
Shall we get wild, Noah?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's our perfect worm. Yes.
Oh, thank fuck. I need to go up and heal.
It's our worm. Yes. Come to me. Yes.
Hold on, I'm healing.
Yeah, don't worry. We don't need to worry about doing other things now.
Oh god, there's two.
Aha, spikes. And the best part is I can shoot myself. Aha. Oh. Greater Wisp attack.
The Greater Wisp?
Is it Greater Wisp kill you? Being followed by a Greater Wisp chance.
Alright, well, I live again. Hey, look at Dio!
Oh, perforator?
Alright, well, at least I have another...
Death.
Oh shit, you're dead. Sir, can you stop being dead, please?
I fell over.
Sir,
You know how it is in my old age.
Shut up. You have been around for just as long as I have.
Yeah, I'm sure the game was as old as Goku.
Yeah, exactly.
Different get. I want to do that, but that may screw us up. So. No. Give me a healing one. Cause that one makes me lose money. Stop that. There we go.
Well, how I can't get controlled by this
Oh
thing.
no!
Oh no, is it going up?
Oh thank God.
Oh wait, we're in a
It was just going through it. You just had to walk around it. I thought we were going outward. It was going upwards.
What did I just pick up? Fucking... Oh, that's neat.
No, should I try to double all my gold, or it's 50-50 on losing all my gold, or doubling all my gold? Should I do it?
Do it. You're a gambler, that's your job.
I had other gambling methods.
Your job is to fucking gamble.
No, that was only one of the gambling things. I had other gambling methods. It's just that's just one of them. We're just going to the Evercliff. Oh, also, like, yeah, I'll have, you know, I have over $300.
I'll go order.
I just have so much money, and everything costs like $25. Why is here?
What the fuck is this? What is this? Wait, hold on, I need to try something.
Oh, I have a card called Buff.
It looks so cursed. It looks... that actually looks okay on you.
Let me show you.
It actually looks semi-okay.
Oh, yeah?
Where was it? Look at my legs! My legs don't
You look
fucking work.
perfect. Oh, wait, Noah.
Get back up.
That was perfect.
Alright, let's continue playing the fucking game so this
that was so perfect.
Uh-oh.
It's not that bad.
No, I'm falling off the cliff.
Wow.
I had to use all my key to be able to cast the spirit bomb.
Should I draw and play the entirety of my next hand at once?
Yes.
Hey,
Oh,
we're not
shit.
punished.
Elder!
Ah, we weren't punished. You think you can defeat me? Take this. Did I help?
Oh god, it kills Bill.
Did I?
What, are you dead again?
I fell into the void, that's why he killed himself. There's a reason why he went down there, Noah.
It's red!
I feel like that was a bit unnecessary, to be honest.
Nah, it's perfectly necessary.
Oh, did you want to know the worst thing? I had suicide. Shoot myself. Yeah. But yeah, no, the saddest part was the fact that, I'll lose my,
Hey!
Russian roulette.
My rage has awoken the warrior that lives in my heart.
This is a super womp.
I'm Goku.
Why can't
And I am a
thank
Super
you,
Saiyan.
Goku, to Mr. Flying Man, for not getting... Okay, I have 2 separate eggs I can choose. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna bust. That's this car's name, Bust. Which one of
Alright,
Bust?
cool. Well, where are all the
Where's
enemies?
the enemy?
There they are.
There they are. Man, if only someone to help me. Oh, you think you can defeat me? I have the casino on my side. Haha, I have full health. Oh, I have infinite ammo. Oh, I don't have infinite ammo. It was very short-lived infinite ammo, I would say. POV, you're trying not to masturbate during November.
I love how you headbangs. They did not like it.
It's rekt.
I split it. Nope. Bye! Bye down
wait,
there!
we're trying to get them
Bye down!
themselves.
Yeah, well, they split. We did it.
God damn it.
Okay. I'll gamble.
You gonna pick up your item?
I did.
Oh,
I got gold.
Goku.
Activates a random other purple card, all of them at once. Summons a powerful enemies around yourself. Oh, moves you Snake Eyes. Snake Eyes. Oh god! So yeah, Noah, did you know when you use a card in midair, you get slowly flung forward?
Yeah.
I forgot about this for a millisecond and just jumped off the edge. Put your hands in the air like...
I
I'm
think I need to
back!
put a seizure warning on this one.
I have seizure. I have a seizure, and I'm not having issues with this. So
Yes.
it's fine.
Hey, an item!
I spent all my money to get energy drinks. There. I missed.
Nice.
Oh, you think you're strong? Well, I have Zeus. Take this.
Oh shit!
Brain stocks!
And this one lived!
Well, I can spawn in. But no, I have brain stocks. If I kill an elite enemy, I get to instantly gamble.
Cool. God fucking damn it.
Oh, cool. We gold. And we make some sweet tunes. Wait, this is boss wave, isn't it?
Oh shit! I'm gonna go
Last
over here
word.
and
Yeah, this
charge
is
up
boss.
Key. You have fun down here.
I will.
You go up here and charge Key real quick.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm fine out here. Don't worry about me.
Oh my god, there's so many fucking enemies.
Help me.
No, I need a heal.
I got my own healing cards at least, luckily. Wait, yes! I have the power of brain stocks! Yes! I can do so much more!
I hit the ceiling, didn't I? Fuck.
Come on, wild card. Save me!
It's rekt!
I'll have you know my last words were save me. I'll have you know the last thing I said before my demise was save me.
Help, I'm charging Key and I'm being attacked.
Oh, thank you.
We're done here.
Willow to firework, yo. Okay, let's gamble real quick. Not great, not good, and it's fine. Nice. Reduces secondary skill cooldown by 10%.
That means you have to wait 9 seconds instead of 10.
And wait, does it also heal me when I use it? When I use my
Does it?
secondary skill? And heals 10 health plus 1% of your health.
Huh, neat.
Oh, I have Zeus.
If I do this while Kaioken's active, I actually reduce it so I can have Kaioken active longer.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, I got a thing to fuck off. Whoa, look how fast I am! Oh, now it's done.
I gave you the achievement caffeinated. Yeah, you're welcome, I guess.
Awesome. Alright, we've been here long enough. Let's go.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I got you an achievement with my gambling skills. What can I say? I'm just that good. I'm just too good.
Oh, cool, random equipment time. Too bad neither of us have a fucking equipment.
You have equipment. Oh wait, look what's sitting right here.
We're looking over more over there. Alright. Sky Whale.
Oh, well, I'll have death. For everyone. Yes!
Well, shit. Oh my god, it's just like the sun coming down upon. Oh shit!
Yeah, I died. But I did kill everyone. I got a.
I need to kill elite enemies.
I need to kill one glacier. Oh yeah, every time I kill someone, they drop fireworks now.
Oh great!
Wait, I spawned new. I got an equipment now. Oh hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Cool.
All right. Gosh, it's slow.
Back at mag. Hell yeah!
Defeat all enemies. Shit. I'm flying out of the range. Shit. Having fun down there.
Yeah, sure. If that's what you call it, I'm doing. Yeah, sure. What's fun? Hey!
Warning. Sun coming down.
Don't worry, I am a Wii Fit player. I salute Sun. I salute whatever the hell this does. Oh,
I just
60.
like watching the giant fuck up or come down. And then do this.
Yeah, it makes me feel very safe. Warning system.
My attacks.
Yeah, mine. I want.
No, he's really that good, so...
Aha! Hey, nothing bad happened.
Nothing bad ever happened.
Ah, well,
to the
speaking of
Kennedys.
things... Hey, Noah. Speaking of bad things never happening to me. Let me jinx myself. Why are there so many of these guys?
Uh-oh.
Good thing we have a bomb.
That did fucking nothing because I was also a Super Saiyan. Oh my fucking god.
Yeah, that may be
You know
my
what? I'm
fault.
just gonna...
You know, this may be my fault.
Just hope that none of them hit me.
You know, this may be my fault. Thinking about this.
I'm just not gonna go down there.
Just
That's
fair.
gonna miss entirely.
Oh yeah, it will. Maybe they won't. Maybe it will.
Ah, the fucking rock.
Yeah, I misclicked and I hit something else by accident. And now we have to.
I noticed.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
No, don't risk me. Don't risk me. Damn it.
I'm still dead no matter what here. Oh wait, what? No, we beat it. Damn it.
Oh.
Damn it. I beat it. Hey.
You shouldn't have fallen on me. We would have actually won. If you didn't fall on me. That's very sad.
Maybe.
Yep. Oh well.
Maybe. My turn spike.
I wonder whose issue. I wonder who did that. Honestly.
Fuck you.
I wonder who did this. Why did this happen?
Maybe because
I'll
of
go
this
again.
fucker in the back here.
Let's do this!
I'm in the front for me. So I'm not sure who you're talking about. No, oh yeah, I know. You're talking about Goku. Right.
Son Goku.
Okay. Ugh.
All the single furries, all the single furries, all the single furries, all the...
Where's my relief?
I'm dying! Here we go!
Where'd you go? Oh, you're fucking... I don't get rid of this fuck off stage. Hold
You
on.
don't.
Hold on a second.
Money. Oh, I lost my
What is this
$5.
Come join me.
How do I join again?
F? What are you...
My rafflecopter goes swat.
I love how happy they're probably fucking, like, copyrighted. What is the button to do it again? I'm checking.
Let us play.
It is... B. B is join
On
video.
3. 1, 2, 3. Like a hog to slaughter.
Vermin head.
What are you doing? We could also just like sit here for like an hour and let my power go up. Like... There's enough spamming and fucking emotes. Let's play the game more.
Oh god, they're back. No.
You know what? I kind of miss Kamehameha. Well, I definitely miss my fucking transmission now.
Ah, perfect son for the gambler. You know, I think I should stop spamming random.
Yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted. What the fuck is that?
No!
Hold on, what the hell?
Among Us!
Uh-oh, I'm dead. Thank you.
Get there.
Alright, I fucking
I
despise
killed
your-
myself somehow.
Hey, it's me,
I was pressing G and it gives you random emotes.
Alright,
We're doing home. For some reason, it would look like we were just doing a normal game for a second. I was confused.
Alright, I think that's enough of Goku and Gambler vs.
No, I don't think we
Void.
ever got really far enough in, to be honest. I don't think we did enough.
We didn't get far enough, probably because somebody activated a fucking card.
Okay, well that wasn't my fault.
Yes, it was.
It's a gambler. How am I supposed to know what the fuck I'm gonna do? One more game, though. One more game.
Alright, fine.
One more game. I won't even hit G this time.
Let's get
Wait,
this
so
started.
G just does a random one no
G
matter
just
what?
does a random one.
Like, not even if you're selected, just...
Just random ones. That's how I got Among Us up here.
Oh, hey! What is... Oh, it's that one.
No. Nice.
Why am I lying on errors? Oh, I know what this is!
My rafflecopter.
Aw, you missed the cop.
I hate that. What am I doing? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm Yamcha! I think I'm fucking Yamcha!
Look at this.
Help, I've been turned into Yamcha! I'm fucking dead!
Hey Chris, check
Yo!
Item I found on the
Yo,
side.
Noah. Yo, Noah, look what I'm doing. Yeah, Goku's smoking the blunt. Look at me, Noah.
Hey Chris, check out this new item I found in the cyber world.
Fucking screen. Oh no. Click B. It's like we're trying to do the fucking... I love this button.
Yo.
Oh my god! I fucking... Okay, so I think the name of this one's just...
Oh.
I think the name of this one's just gonna be
Noah.
Goku Gambler and the
Among-
random emotes.
Noah. Among Us. Among Us, Noah.
Like, I can turn this into its own separate video of just how cursed do we make it. It's the guard dance.
Yo, I'm doing the John Oliver, Noah.
Oh my god, my legs.
No, I'm doing the John Oliver. No, I'm doing the John Oliver.
Why am I just T-posing? Oh.
Yo, Mario.
What am I doing? Look at how cursed it is, you just mash it, you're just having a stroke. What is wrong with my body?
No.
Alright, well I think that's enough of this before this video gets copyrighted. I'm gonna end the recording, we're gonna fuck with this later.